Hi sweet angels, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you my late afternoon, after work and after school cleaning routine. I actually didn't plan to clean this day, but because while I was preparing a breakfast for the kids, my son broke one glass with Coca Cola and everything was so sticky and with piece of glass, and because of this I had to start cleaning. So yeah, enjoy my cleaning process and let's get started. As you can see, during the entire video Prince Philip is laying on the sofa while mommy is cleaning, and today I decided to start with vacuum cleaning because of the glass pieces on the floor, and I just wanted to protect my kids not to step over the glass and hurt themselves. When I'm cleaning often during the week, I'm not usually moving all the tables in my living room, but today I had to move this table because everywhere underneath it there was a Coca Cola and it was super sticky, and there are as well lots of balloons from the beginning of this month when my son got a birthday. And yeah, finally he decided to join me and to start helping me. And after vacuum cleaning the entire floor, it is time now to clean all the surfaces from the dust, and I'm using a normal glass cleaner. I think this one is from Poundland, but because the spray mechanism is broken, I don't know why, I had to open the bottle. Usually there is not lots of dust at home, and actually I'm doing this type of cleaning once a week. Now I have to find a place for these pillows. They are actually from my garden outside furniture. And I had to put those balloons in a bin because they were so sticky of the cola. And now it's time to clean the rest of the furniture. Actually, we bought this furniture about 2 months ago, I think it was, from Range. I think that they are still selling it. I'm actually using 2 of the cupboards for the shoes because there is never enough space for all of our shoes. And actually most of the decoration in our living room is from Range. We really like what they are selling, yeah, and we are actually going there once a week, and I don't think that I will not be able to find something to buy for my house because I really love what they are selling. Underneath this table I got 2 boxes of chocolates, so just in case if there are some unexpected guests at home. And now it's time to clean the floor with the mop to remove all those stickiness all over my living room. I'm using sieve, I don't know exactly, the pink one. And as you can see, at the same time in the dining room my daughter is playing Club Penguin, if someone of you knows this game. And finally I will finish with cleaning the dust from one of the wall picture frames. I'm actually doing this once a month, And yeah, now it's time to sit on the sofa. I'm not so tired because I was actually doing this for about 15 minutes, but at the end of the day, yeah, you know. And now when everything is fine and clean, it's time to turn on the fireplace. And I'm not so sure, can you see, but underneath the fireplace there is some fake candles. And I'm not so sure how effective will be my cleaning while my son is still sitting on a sofa eating his biscuits. I definitely think that I'm really obsessed of fake flowers and candles, so because of this probably you can see them a lot in my living room. All the fake flowers I think are from Range as well, like this vase from them and all the decoration. I got this plate with decoration with some stones and candles, and I just add the red candle. It's from B&M and it's actually a present. And finally a little bit more room spray. This one is from Poundland. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!